Zeblaze Thor 5 Pro comes with a lot of features like quad-core chipset, improved battery life 800 mAh, dual camera, 32GB storage space, 3GB of RAM, face unlock, GPS and Glonass receiver, Wi-Fi dual band 2.4 GHz up to 5 GHz and Nano SIM card band. It also supports lock screen pattern, heart rate monitor, fitness tracker, call or message reminder, voice search, offline music, weather, clock faces and notifications, browser, brightness control, screen always on, auto light up screen, stopwatch, Google Play Store, alert type ring and vibration. Other than that, the operating system is Android 7. It provides a user-friendly interface. You can also pair the earbuds, listen to the music, make a phone call or video call, or watch the videos from YouTube. Now, if you have a buy decision, I have the $50 off coupon in the description. Just copy the coupon, click the link and process your order. But remember, the coupons are limited. Only first 30% can get the watch for $100 instead of the original price of $150. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Support me with your likes, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
I love you, I love you, I love you.